The good news and the bad news is summertime is here. The good news is you get to spend more time with family. It's going to be more slowed down. And that's kind of the bad news, right? Because distractions are going to be around your face the whole time, the next couple of months. And then by the time August, September rolls around, you're going to have a drier pipeline and kind of feel like you're behind. So to prevent that from happening, I'm doing a masterclass to show you how to get 6 listings over the summer. And it's one of the most funnest ways of prospecting that you're gonna learn, because you're not really taught how to be a local area expert. And during the summertime, you're gonna have to really learn how to gain that market share in your area and be known as the go-to person, so you actually start getting listings coming to you. But no one's taught you the step-by-step process and also what to say to actually make that a reality. So click the link, join our masterclass of how to get 6 listings during the summer, be the local area expert, and have listings coming to you. Let's go. Click the link. I'll see you there.